Are you scared you don't know how to fight for your kids? Is this one of those things that's keeping you up at night because you're trying to figure out, what do I tell the judge? How do I get evidence in? What am I supposed to do? I gotcha. It's called dadslawschool.com. We're gonna help you understand how to fight for your kids. We're gonna give you the tools and the resources you need so you can go into court, tell that judge exactly why you're an awesome dad and why you should have more time with your kids. It's common. Most people don't ever end up in a courtroom, and that's a good thing. You shouldn't know how to fight for your kids because you shouldn't have to fight for your kids. But the reality is sometimes you do have to fight for your kids. And if that's your situation, if you're having to go into court and get permission from a judge to be a dad to your kids, you need every tool, every resource, every advantage you can get going in. Because the truth is this, mom's talked to every one of her girlfriends. She's probably interviewed 3 lawyers in town to figure out exactly what she has to say to make sure she wins. She's gonna go in entirely ready for bear. She's gonna have everything buttoned down. She's gonna know everything that she needs to tell the judge about why she's an awesome parent, or you're a horrible parent, or you don't know anything about the kids. You don't know anything about their school. You don't know anything about how to discipline them. You don't know how to take care of them. You don't know their food allergies. You don't even know their shoe size. But you can beat that. You can walk into court and you can show the judge that you're ready for bear. You can show the judge that you're ready to be a dad. The way you do that is you join dadslawschool.com. All you've got to do is start taking our courses. We start with the Child Custody Action Plan, and it's designed to give you the information and the tools and the confidence to walk into court and explain to that judge what makes you an awesome dad, how well you know your kids, what do you know about them. And we do that with the kid inventory. It's part of our Child Custody Action Plan. This is 123 questions designed to elicit the information from you about what you know about your kid, so that you can take 43 things and tell that judge, I know these 43 things, Your Honor, and that's why when she says I don't know anything, she's making stuff up. And you should believe me because here are the pictures, here's the emails, here's the text messages, here's the proof that I've been an active and engaged father. And if you don't know how to get those pictures and those emails and that proof, got you. We've got a discovery course at dadslawschool.com where we teach you how to gather the evidence, how to take that evidence and make it into something that can be used in court. With your evidence course, we teach you how to take a piece of evidence and submit it to the judge. We give you the script you need so that you can walk into court and go, Your Honor, I'd like to mark and identify Plaintiff's Exhibit A, so that when you're there, you can start proving what a great dad you are and why mom might be playing fast and loose with the truth. If you're concerned about what evidence is really like, no problem. This is what our evidence course is like. It's little modules, 5-10-minute videos designed to give you the information you need in short bites so that you can sit for 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, learn something that's going to be useful to you when you're going into court. Because if you're going into court against a lawyer or against mom who's done all of her homework, you need to know how to prepare. You need to know how to argue to that judge. And we're going to show you how to do that at the VIP program at dadslawschool.com. All you've got to do is go to dadslawschool.com, click the big red button at the top that says enroll, and today you can become a member, and tomorrow you can be a badass ready for court. One of the things we have in our school is weekly meetups. The dads get together on a regular basis. Every Thursday, those dads that have questions about strategy, questions about tactics, questions about how to handle the craziness of their ex who's making up lies and trying to turn the kids against them, the feelings of alienation, loneliness, isolation, all of that we deal with in our meetups. Why? Because if you're going into court and you're thinking you're alone, isolated, scared, you're not going to make a good impression. You're not going to be at your best. But if you come join us and you get the power and strength from other dads who are going through this to learn how to fight for yourself, how to fight for your kids, you're going to walk into that courtroom confident, capable, with the tools you need to argue to that judge why you should have your time with your kids and they should have their time with you. You may be concerned that this is too expensive. Listen, I get it. Lawyers are $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $300, $500, $900 an hour. Who can afford that? If that's you, if you're in a situation where you can't afford that, come join us in dadslawschool.com. For a low monthly membership fee, you'll be able to learn how to fight for yourself, how to prepare your case, how to gather the evidence, and how to prove to the judge that you're a great dad who loves their kids, who deserves your time with them, and they deserve their time with you. Join us today at dadslawschool.com. And remember, I think you're freaking awesome.